Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about skincare, grooming, sometimes hair, so if that sounds like your thing, please make sure you are subscribed. Also come and follow me on Instagram where you'll see stuff that you're not going to see here on YouTube. So April went quick, I feel like everyone says that every single month, but April really did go really fast. It's kind of a bit of like a month anyway, isn't it? Like nothing really happens. April for me, skincare wise, was a bit of a tough month. I started the month experimenting with a new skincare brand that I've not used before, and one of their products was 100% natural, and unfortunately my skin doesn't really enjoy 100% natural products, and I had such a bad allergic reaction. My lips started tingling first of all, and I kind of ignored it, and then I started noticing my cheeks were flaring up and I was getting these odd little itchy spots over my forehead and my cheeks. So I managed to work out that it was that particular product. So this month's really been about repairing, healing, and being gentle with my skin. So a lot of this month's products are going to be with the focus of being gentle to irritated skin. Before we get into it though, you have 4 more days, I believe it is, May the 2nd, to purchase my James Welsh Daily Glowing Starter Kit in collaboration with Wish Trend. Everything you need in one box, a morning and evening routine to get you on your way to glowing skin. So yes, you have until May the 2nd to get your hands on that. I know a lot of you are waiting for payday, so you haven't got long. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's start with the first product. We're going to start off with the Hada Labo Arbutin Whitening Lotion Moist. So as we know, whitening products are good at evening out the skin tone after things like an acne breakout, spots, allergic reactions. So I'm really kind of using this to target the dark spots left from the sudden breakout and the redness on my cheeks left from the rashes. So this is quite a hydrating, watery liquid, almost toner while you use it in the toner stage. So yeah, as I mentioned, it's really used to reverse the signs of things like sun damage, hyperpigmentation. As the name suggests, this contains arbutin, which is the whitening ingredient. It's not lightening my skin tone, it's just evening out that pigmentation. As well as hyaluronic acid, and this is very, very moisturizing, but it's also fragrance-free, alcohol-free, there's no colors in it, no mineral oil, so it really is perfect for even the most sensitive of skin types, including these cheeks. I love Hada Labo. I'm working on the brand review that I've had to put to a side because of this reaction for a little bit, but hopefully towards the end of next month you'll be seeing a whole brand review of quite a few Hada Labo products. Next up, one I've talked about in a previous video, my COSRX 31 product review. We have the Galactomyces alcohol-free toner. I've said this before, but alcohol really isn't something I worry too much about in my products. I look at formulation rather than a single ingredient. But I do feel like in toners is where you need to be careful, because I feel like the amount of alcohol in a toner, this isn't necessarily like fact, but I feel like the amount of alcohol can push it towards the astringent side rather than a nice toner, which is in general why I like Japanese and Korean toners, is because they're more about hydration rather than the usual kind of oil stripping astringent toners you get here. And coming into summer, I wanted something light. All throughout winter, I've been concentrating on thick toners that are almost like a moisturizer stage as well, and this is perfect. It's really soothing on my irritated skin. It doesn't smell like anything. It's fragrance free, it's alcohol free. I don't feel it on my skin. It literally feels like water, and it's so easy applied just with the spray bottle. So as the name suggests, it contains 10% Galactomyces fermented filtrate, which is basically what you find in a lot of essences. So it's that ingredient that provides moisture to your skin, helps retain moisture, as well as giving you a nice kind of like just general overall skin tone. So yeah, I'm kind of avoiding my usual heavy niacinamide serums at the moment, just while my skin's in recovery. So yeah, a bit of fermented ingredients is helping within this. Next up, a bit of a weird one, we have the Son and Park. This is the Beauty Filter Cream Glow. Son and Park, Soon Park, I think I'm saying it wrong. This is basically a tone-up cream. If you don't know what a tone-up cream is, it's basically like a moisturizer or something you use in the moisturizing stage or primer stage if you wear makeup, that helps to even out your skin tone, so it helps reduce the appearance of redness mainly. But they can usually be really horrible to use. They're quite thick and drying, and they usually just make your skin look completely white. But this doesn't do it at all. In fact, this leaves a fleshy colored pinky cast on your face. I'll show you what they show on the website. They pick this specific filter and this app that's quite popular. It's called Paris, and it just gives everything that pinky, soft kind of glow. So I've been reaching for this a lot recently just to make my skin look a little bit more alive, a little bit more awake, kind of faking that glow whilst I'm not applying excessive amount of products to my irritated skin. So yeah, this has White Flower Complex, which helps to revitalize the skin, and Vitamin Liposome Complex. I've never heard of that before, but that basically is in there to help nourish and hydrate the skin, and it does feel like a moisturizer. And although I'm not 100% sure what a primer is and what it really does, I know a lot of my audience wear makeup. This apparently makes a perfect base, whatever that means. Oh, a really interesting one. These are the Fresh Air Ice Globes. So despite my opinion on jade rollers, I really do love a good facial massage. It's relaxing. I like kind of like the lymphatic drainage of them. And I feel like they're really, really important whilst you're looking after and caring for and trying to soothe your skin. So I was sent these. So this is like a PR sample, I guess, hashtag PR. These are Pyrex globes that you can put in the freezer or your fridge, and the liquid inside doesn't freeze. Basically, you gently rub these all over your face, going up or down, up for a bit of lift, down for a drain, using something like a moisturizer or even a thicker toner, and it really helps your skin calm down after allergic reaction, or maybe you've just had your eyebrows done, you've had laser on your face, any kind of irritated skin, these instantly soothe it. I really, really like these. I kind of want them in every color now. They have a blue color that's really, really good. Well, nice to look at. They're just so relaxing, and they do make your face look really shiny after. I used it like to film just before this, and I do feel like, even though my forehead is usually very, very shiny, I do feel like it's kind of like excessively shiny today. We're gonna end on a strange one. This is Pseudo Creme, or Pseudo Creme as I've always called it. It's just Pseudo Creme. This is an antiseptic healing cream. On the front it says it's good for nappy rash, eczema, surface wounds, sunburn, minor burns, acne, bed sores, and chilblains. Who? So yeah, I never thought I'd be talking about Pseudo Creme on my channel. This is like an iconic product in the UK, but it's known for helping with nappy rashes mainly. I feel like every household in the UK has this in their bathroom cabinet, like whether you remember buying it or not. It's like Vaseline, everyone just tends to have it laying around. So yeah, I've always put this on cuts, grazes, but it's never made its way to my face, but recently it has been a lot. It's really been helping soothe those annoying itchy dots on my skin from my reaction. I just get like these tiny little itches that I scratch and they'd immediately turn into red spots. So the moment I got an itch, I would just do a dot of Pseudo Creme on my face wherever that itch was. Now it does sound weird to be putting a nappy rash cream on your face, but this actually contains zinc oxide, which you find in so many acne treatments, anti-inflammatory face stuff. It's very, very good at getting rid of spots and acne. So there's two ways you can use this. You can use this as like an all-over face mask, just apply a very thin layer. Once a week though, it's got zinc oxide in it, can be very drying. Or every night you can apply it in dots to your spots, and that's kind of the way I've been doing it, once a week as a mask, every night pretty much on inflamed areas of skin and on spots. And it's really, really been helping a lot. It hasn't got the best smell, it sticks to your pillows, it washes off easy though, and apparently it's highly flammable, so yeah, be careful of that. It does have lavender fragrance in, it's right at the bottom of that ingredients list though, which hopefully means there's not so much in there. But you're very, very unlikely to react to this. It's a very, very good product. So yes, that is April. April? Yes, April, done. Let me know what you've been loving this month. Your comments always lead me to discovering new brands and products, or products from brands that I've never even heard of. So yeah, I always look forward to reading those. My next video will be up on Wednesday, but in the meantime, why don't you spam watch all my other videos? I'll leave a playlist for you here and then a video that's recommended just for you at the bottom. But that is it for me now, guys. I will see you next time.